Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lucy. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I actually upload a video. And if you're not new, hey girl, hey. Welcome to another video. I'm so glad that you could join me on this video because today we are swatching lipsticks. I've never done something like this on this channel and I'm super happy that we're going to be doing this, and we're going to be reviewing the Revlon super lustrous lipsticks, and I hope you get to enjoy the video with me, you know, because this is a first time thing for me to do. So without further ado, if you're ready to see how these lipsticks swatch, then keep on watching. So Revlon sent in their super lustrous lipsticks. I have 5 shades here, and they also did send in 3 of their super lustrous glosses. Now the packaging of this, it's amazing, and the fact that I got a clear one, I am obsessed. So the lipsticks are matte lipsticks and I am obsessed with matte lipsticks. So the first shade I'm going to go in is the 007 On Fire lipstick. This is a very beautiful coral vibe lipstick. It looks so gorgeous. I love the packaging, so simple, yet the the feel of the outer layer is a bit velvety. This applies really beautifully, very smooth, it's very creamy. Right off the bat you can see how colorful, bold and super lustrous this lipstick is. I love the coverage, I definitely love the application, and it's a beautiful lipstick. Next shade I'm going to go in with 017. Now this is called Crash Rubies. Ooh, this is a beautiful ruby red. So beautiful, so gorgeous. This is actually one of my best red lipsticks. So give me your hand, I can shoot mine. No, I don't ever wanna see you cry. This is like a very nice, date night, dinner type of vibes lipstick. If you want to just, mesmerize him during the night, this is the lipstick for you, honey. Next thing I have the shade 15. It's called Make It Pink. So this is a really pink, like a very nude, soft pink vibes. I don't know how that will go with my lips, but let's see. Yeah, this is really chalky for me. This is actually one of my least favorite lipsticks because for me this color is definitely not a shade I would definitely gravitate towards. It's a bit too chalky for me, mate. I can't see myself going for this shade with my with my skin tone. So yeah, maybe I will be able to work with it, like with a brown lip liner and gloss probably. So I'll definitely go in with this clear gloss from Revlon. This is their super lustrous gloss. This is a clear gloss. This, I think, is in the shade 200 Crystal. I actually think that did save the lipstick. So if you have a lipstick like this in your closet and you don't know how to use it, you just feel like it's not your shade, probably that's what I would do. Go in with a generic brown liner and a gloss and try and make it work. I kind of like this. It's not that bad, but I would not find myself in the store picking up that shade. So next thing I'm going to go in with shade number 5. Ooh, this shade's name is Heartbreak. It's a very hot pink, such a gorgeous pink. I don't know, I've never found myself picking up pink lipsticks. It's more on red vibes or nude shades that I go for, but this is actually pretty interesting. Oh, ooh. like a really nice brunch with a girls type of shade color. I am absolutely shocked that Revlon did change my mind when it comes to a bit of a pink lip moment. So shout out to you, Revlon. Shout out to you. So if you can hear the raindrops from outside, it's pretty much raining at this point. It's really raining, so yeah, I'm so happy for fall. Who's ready for fall? Can't wait to do fall looks. And the next shade is wow, it's like a fall vibe shade. I honestly didn't plan this, but I kind of saved the best for last, probably. So this is the shade 021. This is in black cherry, and it's a beautiful, gorgeous brown color. Ah, so beautiful. Like, if you just wow. Okay, so this is the last one. So oh, okay, wait
a damn minute.
First off, it looks really brown, like really brown, but the payoff is a cherry vibe, dark, very okay. All right, I see what you did there. I see what you did there, Revlon. Hands down, my best lipsticks from their shade range. Like, I know this is not the entire collection, but so far this is like my best shade. It's actually shade 21 black cherry. Now these lipsticks don't have any scents to them, so if that's something that you look into when purchasing a lipstick, they do not have any scent at all. Yeah, so onto the glosses. We have 3 of these. So we have 310 Choco Crush. This is the brown chocolatey gloss, and then we have the Taupe Luster in shade 306. Very beautiful nude shade. Not nude shade, very beautiful nude vibes shade right there. And the last one is the 200 Crystal Clear Lip Gloss. So yeah, beautiful formula, definitely, because I already applied this. Kind of gives me an idea of the two, but we'll still do the whole 2 of them. No more tears, oh wait, no more tears. So my final thoughts on the lipsticks and the glosses. I absolutely love the formula. It's creamy, it's buttery, it's basically very very smooth on application. The glosses are not tacky at all, they're just perfect. The packaging is amazing, simple yet classy. Also the lipsticks as well, love the velvet finish of the packaging, love how smooth and how creamy they apply onto the lips. I had some favorites, I had some not so favorites, but yeah, but generally this is a brand I would definitely buy more from. Revlon, you changed my mind on some things, and you surprised me on some things, and I love that when a brand does that. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I actually upload a video, because you know, YouTube algorithm is just on another level. And also don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, and also share this with your friends, or you know, with your partner, whoever you feel would love to watch this video, if you know, before you buy Revlon beauty lipsticks, or you know, whatever. I'm just saying, okay, if you enjoy the video, you might as well share it. You might as well watch the next video, because if you've reached this far, you know, there's more videos for you to binge watch. And yeah, I will see you on the next video. Bye.